Hello, here I am with you all, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Today, I will be discussing with you brief description about the EduMall. Thought of the day, important historical dates. Word of the day, why the students go to Germany for higher education, and one motivational story with the moral of the story. So, the EduMall, discover, learn, succeed. Largest one-stop solution for all educational needs. Target 90 plus from standard 6 to 12th, JEE NEET, UPSC, GPSC, other competitive examinations, global skill courses. The EduMall, a pioneering educational system with most robust and biggest edu infrastructure in Gujarat, has national premium mentors from different premier brands, all collected at one place. Its visionary outcome of rich legacy of more than 25 years working with the students of different levels in different parts of India and abroad. It is India's first and Gujarat's largest educational infrastructural mall, having 4 verticals: JEE NEET, UPSC, GPSC, Global Skillopedia, and Career Academy 2, with psychometric test for each student with the certified courses, and has a blending innovative teaching methodologies, digital advancements, and industry-aligned training. A mission-driven platform for academic mastery, competitive success, global readiness, and personal transformation. So we have our motto. The motto is, our learning philosophy shifts students from competition to curiosity, compulsion to choice, and fear to courage, thus transforming confusion to confidence. Let's see the thought of the day. And today's thought of the day is, your hard work today becomes your success tomorrow. That is, hard work pays. What is the meaning of this phrase? The phrase means that the effort and the dedication you put into work today is the foundation of your future achievements and success. Success isn't a matter of luck, but a direct result of consistent hard work, discipline, and perseverance over time. So, whatever habits you develop today will result tomorrow. The life you dream of tomorrow starts with the habits you build today. Today is 4th December. And 4th December has a very important day in the history. So what are those historical dates? The first is, Indian Navy is celebrating today Indian Navy Day, a day to recognize the services of the Indian Navy to our nation. To protect the world life, so there is a World Life Conservation Day on 4th December. On 4th December 1791, Britain's first Sunday newspaper, The Observer, was published. It is the world's first Sunday newspaper. And we also have today National Cookie Day, a day to celebrate cookies in the United States. Today we will also learn one word in English, and that word will make you perfect in your English day-to-day speaking. So today's word is benevolent. What does the word mean? The word means displaying kindness and a desire to help others. The synonym of the word is kind, generous, charitable. And the antonym is malevolent, unkind, cruel. The word benevolent originated from Latin. That is, bene, which means well, and volentem, that means to wish. So let's see one sentence of this word. And the sentence is, the benevolent teacher always stayed after class to help the students. So you will remember this word, yes? Now, being the Chief Operating Officer of the Global Study Abroad, I want to say why students go to Germany for higher education. There are many advantages. Few of them I will be discussing with you. And the first advantage is world-class education system. Germany is the home to top-ranked universities and strong research institutions. So, it is a globally respected place or country for engineering, medicine, and science programs. The second importance is low or no tuition fee. Public universities in Germany usually charge no tuition fee or very minimal semester charges, making educational affordable compared to other countries like the USA or UK. Third, globally recognized degrees. German degrees are accepted worldwide and hold strong value with international employees, especially in technology and research fields. Fourth, strong focus on research and innovation. Germany invests heavily in research through organizations like the Max Planck Society and Fraunhofer Society. Fifth, excellent career opportunities. Germany is the Europe's largest economy and home to global companies such as BMW, Siemens, offering great job prospects. Work while you study. So, international students are allowed to do part-time job up to 20 hours per week, helping you all to gain experience and manage living costs. Post-study work opportunities. Graduates can stay back and look for jobs within 18 months post-study work visa, increasing chances of permanent settlement. Next, high standard of living. Germany has a safe environment, efficient transport, modern cities, and excellent healthcare services. Cultural exposure and travel. Located in the Central Europe, Germany gives easy access to the countries like France, Italy, Australia, and Switzerland, a perfect place for learning culture. 10th, courses in English. Many universities offer fully English taught programs, especially at the master's level, so the learning in German is useful but not mandatory. while we are progressing towards our destination, we have to be motivated and energetic. So today I'm going to tell you one motivational story that will motivate you for your work or study. A sincere and honest woodcutter accidentally dropped his iron axe into a river. Distraught, he sat by the river bank. A god appeared and offered him a golden axe, then a silver one, asking if they were his. The woodcutter honestly refused both, saying that they were not his axe. When the god asked him again, he still refused and stating that they were not his axe. The god, pleased with his honesty, and gave him all the three axes: the golden, silver, and his original iron axe. So honesty is very important in everybody's life. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is being honest is always rewarded. Last but not the least, give time to the EduMall and the EduMall will change your time. We are excited to have you in the EduMall. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.